I keep rasps over here in this area. Files over in this area. The files, most of them have little homemade cardboard slip cases for them to go in to keep them from rubbing against the other files. I need to do that for the rasps, but I never got around to that. So here's that. The smaller files, I have this. I bought this many years ago from one of my favorite surplus places. And I believe this is an Israeli military tool pouch. But I find it's just very handy for file storage of small files. Really neat tool pouch. But I keep needle files, more needle files, and small files in here. So that's the way I store all my files. I've got another one of these tool pouches somewhere. I think it may be in one of the cars, but I'm not sure. Really well designed, handy little pouch. So that's the way I store my files.